back to also plug. In this video I will teach you how to create an application, a professional application with App Creator 24. So after registering on App Creator 24, you log in and you click on create app. So enter your app name. I'll be using my dating app for an example, so I will just click on Crush Dating. Make sure you have your app icon ready. So I'm with you. I'm still with you. Before creating an application, make sure you always plan ahead. Know what you want to create and create your app icon, feature graphics, get all your screenshots ready so that when you want to create the app, you just go straight to creating it. So now this is the app icon. This is my dating app icon. You can see it is created with logo Pit Plus. They are created with another platform but edited the size with logo Pit Plus. So the recommended size for an icon is 512 by 512 on Google Play Store. This is the feature graphics, which is 1024 1024 by 500, which is the size of this. So make sure everything is ready. So I have my screenshots, everything ready, so I will use this instead. So this is the app icon, I mean the screenshot and everything in here. So this is everything. So you can see the screenshots. The messaging part of it, the profile part. There's the sign up with phone number part. There's the front page. So let me go ahead and choose the logo icon. I just showed you that so that you can see how everything is done, how you plan for your app before creating the app. So now let's enter the description, dating app. Click on next. So I will choose black as the color, the style, then click on next. So click on web app. Web app is always good for an affiliate link. So the title, click on dating app. Alright, let me use this link. This is my affiliate URL link for Bluehost. So I will use match.com. Match.com for an example. Match.com for an example. If you are looking at a dating site, click on next. So click on go to App Manager. Then you click on General Info. So click on Name and Icon. Name and Icon. You can see the icon here, you can see the name. So anytime you click on save, the version name increases, or anytime you want to update your application, just increase this version to 9.9, then you save it, but I will leave it at 9.8. So I always advise people, if they are creating an application, make sure the package name is SEO friendly, which is the keywords you use must be the one that will attract users and downloads. So for example, I'll just type in crush dating app. So we have another dating app called Plenty of Fish. So you can say Plenty of Fish app, dating app, sorry, dating app. So this will actually attract users and downloads. So copy this down, then you so I think you have to turn all these on because you need this location, this, you need access to microphone. So that's what you need. Then you click on generate.apk.aab. So in case you want to publish on Play Store, you don't need .apk, you need .aab file to publish on Play Store. So click on save, click on OK. So the app is being generated for now. So we are coming back to this. So let's go to general. This general, you can, if you want your app to have password, but I always remove this show app icon in notification. Click no, I don't like it. To show your app icon at the top bar, I don't want it. So now this is your privacy policy link. These two you have to copy it down and save it somewhere in case you want to publish on Play Store. You are going to paste it in the privacy policy on Google Play. So click on save, and if you have your own privacy policy, you can put it in that space that you saw there. You can put it here. You can put it in this space. You put it there, but if you don't have, just leave it blank. So this place, okay, share. Many people don't know how to use this place. I'm sending you this app that you may be interested. So as for me, I always put my Play Store link, so in case the app is published on Play Store, it will just go directly to Play Store link. So this is the package name of your app. This is the package name of your app. Now I want to get a Play Store link. Let me see if I can get the Play Store link. Alright, so now this is the Play Store link. Copy the Play Store link and paste it here. So from equals to .com whatever, remove everything. Okay. Alright, so make this go back. Alright, so now if your app is published on Play Store, it will have exactly this link. So click on this and copy. I'm sending this app that you may be interested. You can edit all these. This is my input. Check out the best dating app. Check out the best dating app. Alright, click on save. So in this launch message, if you want it, you can put it. You can just put welcome to Crush. So if there's any information you want to pass across, you can do it right here. Please welcome to Crush. Kindly note that nude pictures is not allowed as your profile image. So immediately they launch this app, they will see this. And click on save. So create app, click on yes, and then you remove this, then you click on save. So now let's go back to our name and icon, then you paste the package name back, click on generate APK, click on yes for location, yes for camera, yes for microphone, then you click on save, click on OK. Alright, you can see that this has been saved now. So if you go back now, this is the package name, so no issues at all. So now let's go to the design. Colors, you can change the colors, but I always leave it as it is, so the color is okay. You can see other sections, it will have red and the rest. Fonts, leave the fonts. Chat sounds, leave the chat sounds. So now let's go to menu type. I always like to use this menu type. It is always professional. I don't like top menu, so I use sliding menu. If I don't use sliding menu, then I use without menu. But for some kind of app, like if you want apps with different cards and section, you can use table menu. You can see table menu. If you something like tutorial videos, earn money, click to earn, and so on and so forth, you can use table menu. But I always prefer sliding menu. It's always professional. Click on save. Bottom menu, I don't always use bottom menu. I don't like it, so it's always on no save. It doesn't look professional. Then the main icon, I always remove this main icon because of it shows the top bar. So did you see? Let me show you. Icon displayed in the upper left of the app, so I don't like it. So doesn't be professional, so I'll just remove it. So icon has been deleted. So no more icon. Top bar icons. Okay. This is another. Please always focus on this search icon. I don't like it. So drag it back down here. So as you can see, I don't like it. So I always prefer the notification icon and the share button. The notification icon and the share button is always okay for me. Alright. So they click on save. This notification, this share button. So click on save. But if you want, let me put it right here. Let me put the share button at the front. Alright, so this is done now. Save. So now another one is loading image. Loading image I always always used as splash screen. So you remove this. Instead of removing, just click on choose file. Alright, so let's come down to use the front image for this. Alright, this is the front image. Okay. Okay. Or better still, I have something better. I think I have something better than this, or if not, then I'll use this. Okay, I don't have it here. There's a particular one I created. So let's use this. So you click on save. So you can change the seconds you want it to show on the application. You can change it to 5 seconds or more. Seconds. Then you click on save. So background image, I don't want background image. I don't want that. So this is the section. The sections where you have your written app URL. You can see it here. This is match.com. Save. You can also add more. If you want to add more, you can add more to it. You just click on sessions, click on create session. You can add another web URL. can add text and images, you can add images and stickers, you can add the music, you can add the video, you can add charts, channel, you can add chat finder, you can add RSS blog, a blog RSS, a quiz game, a social videos game, latest actions, and so on. So let me just try and add a game. So this is all they need for a game. Login, send videos, and the rest of it. Oh, I don't always like this because it's not always professional, so I'll just take it back. Okay, so let's continue now to the main point, which is making money. So now click on ads. So don't forget these offices, you can add your office, your email account, phone number, and so on. So click on ads. Alright, so this is where you put your banner, ads unit. Make sure everything is already set up. This is ad unit that I have. Everything is here. 49. There's a 1. So we have startup ID. I have startup ID too. I'll just place it here. I'll add it to this particular laptop. So native ads, put it here. Native ads too, put it here. Then your rewarded video ads, then you put it here. Then you click on show always. Click on show always. So if you want it to show in chat, that's it. I always use to show every 2 pages because I need money. And show in every 5 messages sent. Show every 4 times. I'll put to show every time. For app next, I'll type interstitial. You can change it if you have app next. Let's see. Then click on save. Alright, so that has been done, right? So now I want us to go to the notification. If you want to put notifications, send notifications. Click on new message. Enter your title, subtitle. Please move down to, if you want them to go to this, okay, my new earning site, and etc or so. So in the session data app, if you want to check the session, you click here. Then you put the URL there. Okay, this is where I end my BTC. Click on next. So that means you just click on send. You send on the application. Did you see that? So everything has been set up, everything has been done. Let me show you the offices. If you have a product or services you want to sell, you can add your product or services. Management categories, colors. So you have an office, put your office and everything. So now everything has been done. Let's just click on download application. So if it is the APK, you click on here. If it is the AAB file, you click on here for publishing on Google Play Store. So please don't forget to subscribe to my channel, like my video, and share with friends. Thank you for watching. Okay, in the previous video I actually forgot to show you how to create a blog application. So it's not hard at all, as we have seen how to create a web app in my previous video. I have showed you how to create a web app in my previous video. So all you just need to do is click on sessions, click on create session, then you click on RSS blog. But note that if you are doing this, you have to make it the only one here, or you can make it only RSS. Don't use web at all, don't use web pages at all. So now CNN News, then it is here already. Just copy this, so copy, then you paste it here. Alright, so there is another one. You can just go to Google, then you search for news RSS links. You will see Sarah reporters and so on and so forth. So you can click on most popular RSS feeds. The apology line RSS feed. I don't prefer this. Let me go back. And then go back. Top 100 word new RSS feed. So now in this one you will see what you are looking for. So this is it now. Okay, this is good. So this is the RSS feeds for BBC News. Copy this. Did you see that? We are copying this. Defense blog RSS feeds Al Jazeera. Copy link address. This is for Sarah News too. You can check that on Google. So let's just copy and paste it here. Al Jazeera News. Al Jazeera News. But I will not advise you publish a news app on Play Store, because you need a license for that. Alright, click on save. Alright, so now if this for a blog, if you don't have a blog but you need a blog RSS feeds, so let's go back and then we search for blog RSS feeds. This is for defense blog, so this one you can copy this one now. Blog, okay, top 100 world news RSS blog. Links. Okay, let me choose Bitcoin blog RSS link. So you know Bitcoin is something that is at the verge now. Everybody wants to know Bitcoin. So I think this will actually sell newsbitcoin.com. So this one I will news. So I will prefer this Bitcoin magazine. Copy link address, go to your app creator, click on back or click on sessions, okay. This session, create RSS, click on RSS blog. Put it here. Bitcoin news or Bitcoin blog magazine or whatever. Okay, then click on save. If you see, you can tell you that you should show images and the rest. So I'll show you that now. You can do that. It's show images, show dates, notify new posts. Click on yes. Yes, check every 24 hours. No, I prefer check every 1 hour. Only with icon, notification type, only with icon, notification type 2. Then you click on new posts. Style, same general, then click on save. History, these advanced settings, reference, show in menu, open links externally, no, show in menu, require watch video to access, no. So you can use this if the other videos are applied. So this is nice. We have rewarded videos for your ad, so you can click on this, adapt to it, no. So in this section, keyboards, so I think this is okay. So you can actually set all these access password, welcome message, and everything. So you should know how to do that on your own. So click on save. So now let me show you how to add another section, probably a video. Like a YouTube video, create session. Note that I'm just showing you how to add sessions. You can actually do this for one session. Don't add 4 sessions and so on, except you want to create many things at a time, like you want to create any channel, a video on how to do that, a tutorial and so on and so forth. So you can add some menu also to your app creator. Is actually very good if you know how to use it. So click on video. Alright, section title tutorial video. You can name it tutorial video. It's DirectTV. Yes, only have 5 buttons to show. So now this is a YouTube link that you can actually put. This is one YouTube channel. Copy it, and you paste it here, or if you have your own, you copy and paste. Let me show you an example how to reskin apps in Flutter. This is my last search. So there's some videos. Alright, this is a YouTube channel. YouTube video, so click on this, then go back to your app creator, copy all these out, then you paste it. So you can see this now. Alright, so that has been done. Default media player, exo player, anyone, false, show cast. You can put all these download button, show cast, pause, and everything. Put everything to yes. So you want charts to show, you can click all these and put it to yes. Then click on advanced settings again, activate charts, click on advanced settings again, and also do some other things here. Reference, user agent, require words for rewarded videos. Then you click on save. Alright, so now I've showed you how to create a web application, a YouTube video application or channel, a blog application. So probably in the next video I'll be teaching you how to probably create a e-commerce application. So you know that for e-commerce application, all you just need to click on is section. In the section, you click on create section. Then in the create section, you click on product. Then you make sure you have all your products ready and everything. You understand? Your products, pictures, images, description, and so on, categories, and so on. Then you put everything in place. So as simple as that. Please subscribe to my channel, save my video, share and like. Thank you for watching.